today marks the end of you. Aujourd'hui doit être ton dernier jour. Je dois te tuer aujourd'hui. Today will be your last day on earth.
What are you trying to do?
Are you not sleeping?
What are you trying to do? What do you want to do? I've told you, your power is powerless in this house.
Are you challenging me?
Yes, I will challenge you the more and the more.
Today will not end well for you.
You changed.
What are you doing on the floor?
Daddy, I've told you I don't like this woman. I was sleeping here. She turned to bed to come and attack me.
See, I have warned you several times that you should avoid me. What is all this now?
Daddy, I don't like this woman. This woman can change to bed,
And you don't mind my
change to slave, or whatever she wants.
Come on,
She was in red clothes, just changed to black, and she saw you.
Can you imagine?
See, I want to have peace.
Yeah,
Can you just sit down on this? Stop standing on the cushion.
I will still stand on top.
You see what I don't like where you are. Now you say she's turned to bed. She was wearing red. Where is the red now? What is all this?
Immediately she saw you. She changed.
She changed.
Yes.
To what? Is it not the same clothes she was wearing before when I came back?
No.
This one
You only forget Marvelous. Eat, just eat. Sit down. Sit.
You are not my commander. Okay.
sit down. What is all this? I cannot have peace of mind.
Can you eat?
Baby, do you understand? This is what I've been passing through.
Don't
Or the
worry,
women
ma.
that came to this house. Marvelous, I've been seeing one problem or the other on them.
Don't
I cannot
worry.
even rest as a
I
father.
can handle her. Don't worry.
Please, if you can handle
You
her,
cannot
too.
handle me.